greetings. This is an incredible time to take time for yourself. Turn every moment into a living, active meditation. Let's try something right now. You can close your eyes if you like, or you can keep them open. Ask yourself the question, what do I need to feel well today? What do I need to feel my most vibrant, elevated self? You can't change everything, but you can make choices on a moment-to-moment, day-by-day basis. Ask yourself the question, what help and support do I need from my partner, from my family, from my friends? What do I need to check into? Do I need more exercise? Do I need more rest? Do I need to look at my diet? Maybe I need to cut down on my to-do list. This is a great time to take the time for you. Breathe, pause, stop, and honor the space. The great Joseph Campbell said, the great privilege of this life is for you to be who you are.